Morning everyone, welcome to rrrestore. I'm John. How you all doing? Yep, out on the bike, we've got another break in the winter. Turn to summer, then it turns to winter, and it turns back to summer again. It's been absolutely freezing. I had the central heating on last night, and then today I am absolutely sweating in my levers. Crazy. I'd just like to take this opportunity to say a massive thank you to a guy called Lewis. I know it's J something on YouTube, but I can't remember the letters and the numbers. So yes, thank you very much, Lewis, for your very generous donation. All the way from Australia. Yep, all the way from Australia, buddy. Thank you very much. It's much appreciated, and it will come in very, very useful. Once again, thank you so much. So what can we talk about today? Can't talk about the weather because that's just boring, isn't it? What am I doing on the CBR? I haven't really done much on the CBR this week. I've been messing about with the plastics. Some of you may know that I hold on, let me concentrate. Danger. There we go. Yep, some of you may have known that I did some plastic welding on the side fairings and whatnot in the last video. I think it was called the plastics fabrication part 2 or something like that. Well, I've changed my mind on that, and I've took it all to bits again, separated all the welding, so I'm going to try and do it separate, you know, each piece as it is, to keep it separate. So that's all I've done really, is like tried to make up some brackets and you know, get the plastic sitting right. I might have to buy some more plastics second hand because the varnish and the paint is just flaking off in parts, and you know, it's going to be a nightmare to try and rub down and paint, and if I do rub it down nicely and paint it, is it going to start peeling off somewhere else? You know what I mean? So I might buy some new plastics. It depends how easy this flaky varnish stuff comes off. So my next video, I haven't really touched the engine. You know, I've got to strip the engine down and check the gasket out, or check the cylinders out, or wherever's gone. I haven't plucked up the courage yet to attempt that. But I might do it this week, so it might be next week's video. If it's not next week's video, it'll be fabricating the plastics again. So that's just a bit of an update on the CBR. Got a new position on the camera. Don't know how you like it. I might change it about a bit on this ride. I've got a fix in here where I can put it, or I've got a fixing on my helmet where I can put it. So I might change you about, just in case it's not a very good view where you are at the moment. No unauthorised vehicles beyond this point. There. Damn it. I'm not going to walk around there. Used to be the old American Adventure Park. Not very adventurous, is it? this is the road that takes you to the MFN bike night. Wonder if there's any signs up saying when it's reopening, or if he's gone kaput. I think a lot of pubs and bars and stuff have shut down, haven't they, because you can't afford just to keep paying the rent and not doing any business. Does that mean nobody's allowed in? Well, we're through. There's a cyclist down there, so... Oh shit. Bloody policeman asleep. Welcome to MFN. Well, they knocked it down, it's still there. Say on this signboard anything? No, just a Kawasaki trailer. Yeah, don't fall in there. Morning. Good morning, Aunt Nellie. Eastward. That's where Clint was born. Well, I think we'll call this the end of the video. Don't forget to check out all my stuff down there in the prescription. In the prescription. No, it's not a prescription, it's a description. Can't even talk. And yeah, stay safe, stay well, stay away from this virus if it's still out there. Not sure if it's still out there, I don't know. I'm still not taking any chances though, so I wouldn't if I was you. So I think we're just being used as guinea pigs. Anyway, see you on the next one.
I'll see you in another life, brother.